sa bayan din yan. Kung maging magalang ka sa mga masusungit na teller sa barko, o mapagpasensya sa mga matatandang umugol-ugol habang naglalakad sa harap ninyo para sa bayan na rin yan. Wherever you choose to go, and whoever you choose to become, what's more important is that you carry the values of honesty, hard work, compassion, and grit. Mag-focus sa isang mahalagang tungkulin para sa akin pinakamahalagang tungkulin ninyo bilang mga Pilipino. Maging mabuting tao kayo araw-araw. It doesn't mean being soft on everything and letting other people push you around. Sa pagsisikap na makausap at makaangat sa pagdiskarte sa buhay, siguruhin lang na wala kayong matatakapakang ibang tao. Wala kayong masasaktan. The good news is, sometimes our dreams will look different, but trust that there will be so many moments of joy that are coming your way. Sabi nga, purpose is a moving target. The meaning that you set for yourself in life, that always changes as time goes by. But attaining happiness requires one important thing: courage. The good news is, this strength has been inside you all along, built by the years of struggles and hopes. Over time, you will realize that the only way to navigate life is to make peace with what you've lost and make space for what can bloom in its place. You may not end up saving the world, but your dreams will manifest in other ways. It takes a lot of courage to embrace your calling. And sometimes, that calling means admitting that maybe you are meant for something different. The important thing is, always find peace with yourself. Happiness is a feeling, and that feeling can bloom, can blossom, can grow, because that is something that you have to tell yourself.